Hello, I'm Sunil Divekar and we're going to take a look at how to plot 1 to 1 in a cubic system. First we note that these numbers 1 to 1 are enclosed in square bracket. The significance of the square bracket is it denotes direction. So here we have to plot 1 to 1 direction in the cubic system. Now, in a crystallographic study, the direction is generally given as the coordinates x2, y2, z2 minus x1, y1, z1 coordinates. In this case, we are going to choose the x1, y1, z1 as 0, 0, 0, that is the origin. And therefore, the x2, y2, z2 coordinates would become 1, 2, 1 respectively. So that 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 1 minus 0 will give us the number 1, 2, 1. In this case, we also note that the numbers 1, 2, 1 represent, with respect to a unit cell, a proportion. The x coordinate, if it is 1, the y coordinate is at twice the distance of x coordinate, and the z coordinate is at the same distance as the x coordinate. Now when we talk about twice the distance, we will have to draw a second unit cell in order to mark this position. Instead, in order to fit the given direction in a single unit cell, we maintain the proportion by dividing this number by the largest number available. So in this case, our x2, y2 and z2 coordinate would become respectively 1 by 2, 1 and 1 by 2. And we're going to mark this point on the unit cell. It is desirable to draw a figure which is clear, neat and easily interpretable. A figure of 2-inch size by 2 inch is a good sized figure. Too small a figure would make the drawing unnecessarily clumsy and crowded. Also, as far as possible, try to make use of drawing instruments to deliver professional quality figures. We are going to draw a cube which is going to be 30 mm by 30 mm. So here this distance is 30 mm and here this distance is 30 mm. So this is going to be a cube which is 30 mm by 30 mm, and when we draw lines to join, we would be in a position to mark a cube. So this distance is 30 mm, from here vertical 30 mm and from here vertical 30 mm. These two verticals at 30 mm when joined, a figure for the cube can be completed. We also need to mark the axis. So in this case, our axis system here is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So as mentioned, the x1, y1, z1 coordinates here, this is the first point, origin. So we have 0, 0, 0 as a coordinates, and the second coordinate that we need to plot is half, 1 and half. So it is half in x direction. Since the total distance is 30 mm, we choose 50 mm from this. So from this point to this point, this distance is half. Then 1 in the y direction, so that is full 30 mm in this case, the unit distance. So this distance is 1 unit. And then we have another half unit distance in the z direction. This is z direction, so we align our scale parallel to the z direction, and since this total distance is 30 mm, we pick only half of it. This is the point. Now the coordinates of this point are half, 1 and half. Therefore, the direction from and to will be this direction. That is the direction 1 to 1. In fact, this particular line can then go beyond the unit cell and intercept the second unit cell in the y direction at 2 points, right? So this direction is actually the 1 to 1 direction. Thank you.